guys, well I'm super excited today. Now I've been doing a lot of research on the Kodiak canvas tents, and today I had the opportunity to purchase my first Kodiak. Now what I want to do in this video is we're going to unbox this bad boy and see what's inside, and then I need to go out in the backyard and get it set up and spray it down with water and let it dry in the sun, because this actually waterproofs it. This tent is actually going on its very first camping trip tonight. So let's go ahead and let's get this thing unboxed, let's get it set up, and let's see what we have. So this model is the Kodiak Canvas 10x10 Flex Bow VX tent, and this actually came with the ground tarp. So let's go ahead and get this open. See what we have. Nice and gentle here. Now this is a very heavy canvas tent. I would say just by packing it around, it probably weighs about 75 pounds. Let's see what we have. Alright. Probably should have done this outside. Okay, so there. Oh, cool. So there's one of the inside storage pouches. Actually, both of them. Nice. And this is, oh, this is the storage loft. Awesome. Okay, here is the bag. Looks like the bag the tent goes into, or rolls up into. Awesome. Okay, and back here. Oh, that's not going to come out. Oh. Okay, here's the tent itself. That's a nice heavy duty floor there. Dog's barking at somebody. Alright. Looks like here is the ground tarp. Looks like it's very heavy duty as well. And looks like we have some poles. And the rest of the poles here. Let's see what we have here. And then here's the instructions for setting up. Now, supposedly, this tent could be set up by one man, quick and easily. So, we're going to test that out right now. So let's get this outside and let's get it set up so I can spray it down and get it waterproofed. Alright guys, well the setup wasn't too bad at all once I figured out the poles and I got the flex bowl on top of the tent. It's a matter of just setting up 2 upright poles, so actually it was really easy for one person. Now that I got the tent figured out, it took me about 20 minutes, and now that I have it figured out, it'll probably take me less time. So my friends, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get it sprayed down and get it waterproofed, and I will show you more about this tent as we use it this weekend, so stay tuned.